Go.
Hi everyone, it's Leslie
And Jace.
at Red Digital. Today we're going to talk to you about one of our favorite things. It is social media platforms. Where should you be and why should you be there?
Okay, so what brought this topic up is we get a lot of clients or we get a lot of customers that want to be everywhere. For example, Clubhouse is kind of the big thing right now. I see a lot of doctors, a lot of medical people saying, hey, I need to be on Clubhouse. And the question is, do you? Do you need to be on Instagram? Yeah. Do you need to be on Facebook? And so we are going to answer that question in this Red Recap. So first off, what social media platforms should doctors be on?
So I suggest the basics. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, bare minimum. Why? Because when you Google things, Google doesn't just basically judge you just off your website. It judges you off of, like, as an entity, I guess.
Yes.
So it judges you as a business. So if your Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook are attached to your website and interlinked and attached correctly, then it creates a stronger social presence.
Yes. They're called social cues. So Google is always looking for social cues out there. That does go into some of their ranking decisions. So you do need to have a really good presence on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube are the main three.
Yep.
That we say every medical clinic, every business should have those three things, those three social medias. Now, let's talk about the other ones. Let's talk about Twitter, Clubhouse, Snapchat. What do we think on those?
Twitter, no.
Twitter,
Unless
no.
you're a doctor marketing to other doctors, I don't see why a doctor would be on Twitter.
Yeah, Twitter is more for celebrities, more for people who, an Elon Musk or Donald Trump.
Yeah, it's more for saying what's on your mind and hearing people's opinions about that.
Yeah.
I don't think it has the medical space shouldn't be involved.
Yeah, and we don't get a lot. We've tried it in the past. There's just not a lot of engagement on Twitter. So, so just Clubhouse. What do you think of Clubhouse? Clubhouse is the new hot thing. What are we finding with Clubhouse?
I've been hearing about Clubhouse every single day this entire year. It's been crazy, right?
Yes.
With Clubhouse, do I think a doctor or a business owner is going to get business from it? Traditionally, no.
Yeah, no. If you're a doctor marketing to other doctors, trying to establish yourself as the doctor who's going to teach you your practice how to grow.
Like B2B, great.
B2B. Clubhouse seems to be working, but you have to look at how many hours it takes on that platform. I see people on it all day, 24/7, and it's like, are you getting a return for your time? I don't know. It's a tough one.
It's a tough one, yeah.
Okay, so Facebook. Now, we have clients that come to us, or not clients, gonna be clients come to us, and they ask us, well, why aren't I getting engagement on my Facebook? Usually they're not posting, but when we do start to post, they're like, wait, why I only get 40 people? What do we kind of look at there?
Yeah, I actually just talked to somebody about this morning, where he was saying, like, I love the social posts, but I'm not getting likes. People are viewing it, but I'm not getting likes. I'm getting impressions and engagement, but I'm not getting likes. And I said, no one is gonna go to their doctor's office, scroll on Facebook, and be like, I like this.
Yeah.
It's more like I viewed it, I read it, maybe I clicked on the link, maybe I didn't, but you're still there.
Yeah.
It's not something to become like a Facebook celebrity. It's more for even SEO is what I've been using it for. Like some of my acupuncturists, shout out Augusta, their Facebook page ranks higher than their competitors' websites.
Yeah. Because they're posting. And so the idea on Facebook, this is a good, I guess, way to establish your Facebook. Be there and be posting. Don't worry about the engagement, because if you got 30 people looking at that post, great. And you can see that most posts are going to get people looking at it as it grows. If you don't get comments or like, that's okay. What's important is 30 people saw that, and that could be 30 qualified patients, or that could be a patient that has stopped by, they haven't given you money yet, they're looking at your clinic, and all of a sudden they see that post and they're like, it's time.
Yeah, how many of us, if I see an advertisement, I won't even click on the ad. I'll click on the page and see if it's a relevant page that is active. Because I don't want to click on an ad or click on something that's like the last time they posted or the last time they updated was like a year ago.
Yeah. Same with, and this goes the same with Instagram. You need to be there. You need to be posting. Don't worry about engagement. Just give people great content, and that's it. And the 3 platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Don't go outside of those yet unless Leslie and Jace tell you to.
Exactly. If you're on Snapchat, rethink your life. If you're on TikTok going, rethink your life. Because it's like 12-year-olds. 12-year-olds don't have money to pay for $6,000 worth of stem cell. Like, it doesn't make sense to me at all. And to me, being a celebrity doctor is great, except that celebrity doesn't equal money.
Yeah. And at the end of the day, that's what you're using Facebook for. Like, all social media platforms are to make you money, are to generate you leads. And so treat them as that. Don't get involved in the trends or who's popular, who's not popular. Treat your social media as a lead generation tool and leave it at that. Yeah. We love running Facebook ads. We like YouTube ads. We like Instagram ads. Facebook, if you're an older demographic, if your client's an older demographic, that's where you want to be right now. That could change. Okay?
Yep, agreed.
What else? Do you want to shoot him a Snapchat?
No. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. We're going to be unveiling our marketing event coming up in the summer, so we're going to have a link for you guys to RSVP for the announcement.
Okay. Keep marketing.
Bye, guys.
Peace.
Okay, what else should we talk about?